Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to move data in Excel shortcut. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to move the first column employee name. Simply select the column. I just drag with the mouse and select here entire column. Then keep cursor on the corner point. You can see the 4 arrow here showing. Okay. Just press the mouse button. Just press this hold the mouse button and drag with here and just select the area where you want to move this data. So here I'm going to move in H column and just release the mouse button. That's your column is moved. If you want to move the full data, simply select the entire data, same as keep cursor on the corner point. And when you see that this 4 arrow, okay, then press the mouse button, okay, and drag it and set where you want. That's it. So this is where you can easily move data in Excel by using the shortcut way. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.